Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off dark mode on Microsoft Word. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word on my laptop and I have just activated the dark mode on my laptop guys, and as you can see that the Microsoft Word is being dark as well and it's kind of annoying. So I'm gonna get back my white mode or light mode on my Microsoft Word. If we want to get back our white mode, we can go to the file and then go to the more option like this, and you have to customize the Office theme right here. As you can see that the Office theme is using the system setting, and here we have some options. We can choose colorful, dark gray, black, white, and use system setting. And I'm just going to select this one guys. Never change the document page color because I want to make my Microsoft Word is in the dark mode, but I don't want to change the document page color. I'm going to make the document page color white, so I'm gonna click this option, then we can click on OK. Okay, and as you can see that my document page color is white. And if you want to get the light mode on all of your Microsoft Word, you just need to go back to the more option and you can choose white. You just need to choose the white color, and then all the Microsoft Word space will be turned into the white mode. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off the dark mode on Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.